A man will only change when he faces all his shame. A man will only change when he regulates his nervous system and he moves through and faces all his pain. A man will only change when he finds compassion and forgiveness for the past and for his parents. A man will only change when he finds compassion and forgiveness for himself, for his past and for his present. A man will only change when he rules his charge and is not fooled by his charge, seeking lustfully for external validation, instant gratifications, satiations and stimulations and distractions, to not face his shame, not face his pain. Otherwise, a man is just going to stay the same.